In our factory, every rubber conveyor belt begins its strength journey with the calendering process. We use a precision 4-roll calendar machine, which allows rubber to be evenly pressed and bonded onto the fabric with consistent thickness and excellent adhesion. The 4-roll setup ensures stability and uniform coating on both sides of the fabric, minimizing defects and improving durability. After calendering, the sheets are carefully wound into rolls. At this stage, we place a specially thickened interleaving cloth between each layer. This simple but crucial step prevents the sticky rubber surfaces from bonding together during storage, protecting the sheets from tearing or surface damage. By combining advanced machinery with thoughtful handling, we ensure every roll of rubber conveyor belt from our factory is smooth, reliable, and ready for the next stage of assembly.